Metal Gear Solid Phantom Pain. So, what to do if the game is not launching after installation? Like, everything seems to be fine. There's no any error when you try to launch the game. Like, if there's any error, like a DLLR error, a missing DLLR, they will show in a dialog box. But let's just say everything seems fine, no any error showing. But when you try to launch the game is not launching. It's not happen. No dialogs box, nothing pop up. Just stay like that. So yeah, there's a one fix for this. There could be a huge amount of problems for this, but there's a one quick fix for this, like which is changing the time zone. So you gotta go to the setting and change the time zone, which is time and language, alright, date and time, and you go for time zone, and you has to change it into the this, which is you see this? This could be different little bit with different devices, but normally UTC 8 and Beijing, right? Hong Kong, and I don't know what it is. Hong Kong and Urumqi, right? Urumqi. So don't think about this. It has to be Beijing and Hong Kong, I guess, even if these two is in there. So yeah, you put it to this time zone, right? The Hong Kong Beijing one, and try it, refresh it, and maybe restart if not working, and try to go and launch the game back again. Yeah, if that is the problem, probably the game going to be launched. So yeah, there could be some other problem, but who knows, maybe the problem is this time zone problem. So yeah, that's how you're gonna fix it, this uh problem. Okay.